What is up everyone, another week has passed and some more auto parts have arrived, and today we'll be doing another unboxing video for you guys. So let me just get my tripod and camera set up and then we'll open up these packages together. So over here we've got two interesting pieces that I can't wait to open up and show you guys. But just to show you this package, this is the one that I'm probably most concerned about. You guys can see here in this corner, it's a bit of a hole, and then over here a lot of FedEx tape. So I'm assuming that there may have been some physical damage to the box itself, but hopefully the contents inside will not have gotten damaged. So let me just get to opening up, take a look inside, and then show you guys what we're looking at. So taking a look at the first two items, here you guys can see we've got two spoilers, this one being an ABS plastic one for the Accord CU2, and this time it is a CU2 unlike the previous vlog which was for CR3. And then this piece, which I think is super sweet, is for Lexus IS250, and it's also ABS plastic but hydro dipped with a carbon pattern finish. Looks very realistic, quality is excellent. I must take my hat off to the supplier for the finish on the spoiler. So now we've just got that damaged box that still needs to be opened, and I'm crossing fingers and really hoping that nothing got damaged, and the only way to find it is to open it up. So let's take a look inside. And here we go with the content of that damaged box, and thankfully no damage to this header, which is quite a relief, as this is for one of our more recent customers, Hakeem Brenner, who is currently busy with a build on his car. Here you've got the gasket and mounting hardware, and he also requested us to get him some Speed Factory D10 springs. One thing that I did notice is that there are some stains over here, but hopefully that can just be wiped off and it won't affect the mounting surface of this header, which is a 4x1 race spec. If I recall correctly, it is 2.5 inch diameter, but I will post up the specs if anybody is looking for that. You will find the specs on our Instagram handle or on the Facebook page. And just to show you guys some different angles of this header, if anyone is interested in purchasing one for their vehicle, we are more than willing to assist, and all our contact information is linked in the description below. And then lastly, before I end the vlog, we've got a set of front braided brake hoses for the 15 Honda Prelude, as well as some load resistors which I actually have been waiting for to complete the lighting upgrade on the BMW, but that is dropping in another vlog at a later stage. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, then please do consider subscribing, as well as clicking the bell icon for notifications of future vlogs that will be dropping to the channel. But for now, I think that I will be ending off here. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Do remember, if you are looking for any aftermarket parts or accessories for your vehicle, all our contact information is linked in the description below, or you can scan the QR code which I will display on the screen now. Until the next one guys, remember, you're bold, you're rules, stay motivated. Cheers.